I am starting from here some brief idea about charge and current and its related problem. In previous class, explained about electron, proton, conductor, semiconductor, insulator, about the matter which needs in electricity chapter for 9th and 10th classes. Yes or no? So I'm starting from here charge. Yes or no? So I'm written here charge. चार्ज क्या होता है ये आज हम जानेंगे. चार्ज के टाइप्स जानेंगे, थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉपर्टी जानेंगे, इसके बाद करंट के बारे में जानेंगे, उससे रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम जानेंगे. सो स्टार्टिंग somebody asks you what is the charge, what you can reply it. You reply charge is nothing but it is what it is intrinsic property of material या matter. Yes or no? Charge is nothing but intrinsic property of material. Here terminology intrinsic simple meaning internal. Simply you can say internal, but in other way, in the view of physics, it is the last part जिसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है आता है. इसके बाद कुछ नहीं आता. ये एटम की लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी. इसके बाद आप एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते उसके अंदर क्या है, चार्ज के अंदर क्या है पता नहीं, किससे बना है जो पता नहीं. लास्ट स्ट्रक्चर या लास्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ द एटम. सो द इंट्रिंसिक प्रॉपर्टी शो करता है. जस्ट लाइक इंट्रिंसिक इन अदर एग्जांपल मास. मास किससे बना है? मास इज मास, last property of matter. The same way the charge is also intrinsic property of material. Question here arises, charge is scalar or vector? Charge is a scalar quantity. A scalar quantity. Charge is which type quantity? A scalar quantity. Yes sir? No. Its symbol C, nothing but coulombs. 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 coulombs या SI unit coulombs. Yes sir, no. The charge is nothing but intrinsic property of material. इसके बाद इसमें कुछ नहीं आता है, या इंटरनल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मटेरियल कर सकते हैं. एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी है, इसकी सिंबल सिस होता है, इसका ऐसा यूनिट कूलम्स होता है. यस सर नो. सम बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी. सपोज चार्ज, इसकी टाइप्स देखते हैं. ये दो तरह के होते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव. पॉजिटिव चार्ज को प्रोटॉन कहते हैं, नेगेटिव चार्ज को इलेक्ट्रॉन कहते हैं. इसकी वैल्यू 1.6 गुणे 10⁻⁻, कूलम ये प्लस 1.6 गुणे 10⁻⁻, कूलम. यस सर नो. 1 electron is equal to how much? That's value. So how can find the value of coulombs in the term of electron. So look here, I am using, suppose one electron is equal to 1.6 गुने 10 to power 19. Electron is negative, so it represent coulomb. So 1 coulomb is equal to 1 by 1.6 गुने 10 to power 19. If you calculating this, you get 16 electron. 1 coulomb is equal to 625 into 10 to power 16 electron. The charge is nothing but intrinsic property of material या internal property of material. इसके बाद एटम का लास्ट पोजीशन होता है जिसके बाद हम इसके बारे में स्टडी नहीं करते. 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इक्वल टू इतना होता है, तो इससे 1 कूलम्ब निकाल लिए. 625 into 10 to power 16 इलेक्ट्रॉन. ये दो तरह का होता है, पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव. जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है उसको प्रोटॉन बोलते हैं, जो नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है इट्स कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन. यस सर नो. नेक्स्ट इसकी एक फार्मूला होता है. आई मीन सिंबल इज नॉट सेम, रिटन गलत, रॉन्ग. सिंबल जो चार्ज का होता है क्यू और क्यू यूनिट कूलम्ब होता है. सॉरी फॉर दैट. सो वन थिंग्स, क्यू इज इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस ई. क्यू नथिंग बट ए charge n where the integer value is nothing but electron. Yes or no? So it is always remember q is equal to plus or minus ne, where the q is equal to charge, n is equal to integer value, and e for electron, and symbol is q or q not c. I previously written before erasing c, so it is wrong. Symbol is q, capital Q here, a small q. Okay. Now explain current. What is the current या करंट किससे कहते हैं, ये जानेंगे कि करंट क्या है. इससे पहले हमने जाना कि चार्ज क्या है. चार्ज इज intrinsic property of material. It is a scalar quantity. Its symbol is capital Q, small q. 1 coulomb is equal to 625 into 10 to power 16 what electron, and the charge formula q is equal to plus or minus n into electron, where the n is integer value or e is electron, q is the charge, and the scalar quantity as a unit coulomb indicated by C. Unit is indicated by C, not the charge indicated by C. Yes or no? So, current. What is the current? The rate of flow of charge in outermost orbit in a closed circuit. Rate of flow of charge in outermost orbit in a closed circuit. Open circuit with current zero होता है. You cannot define. But what is the current zero? So it is, for flowing the current, circuit must be closed. So you can define in another book. Different books are different way. So you can also the rate of flow of charge. Rate of flow of charge is called what? Current. Rate of flow of charge is called current. It denoted by denoted by I. It is a what? A scalar quantity. If you somebody asks them, if current contains direction, magnitude, but is after that we also consider as a scalar quantity, not a vector quantity, because current is not flow. The rule of vector, addition, subtraction, and parallelogram, such types. How? Suppose the junction only. Here 2 ampere current, here 3 ampere current. Here 2 and 3 both are same direction. So incoming is equal to outgoing. After explain the next class, so only consider understand. Suppose here angle is 60 degree. So here directly you can write 5 ampere. So this angle is not considered. But if in vector quantity, angle is always must be considered with respect to another. Suppose this is 4 ampere, this is 6 ampere. Here the angle between that first current and second current direction is 90 degree. But if you ask that what is the total current value, 4 plus 6, you write here 10 ampere direct. So the angle is not considered. So the current is a scalar quantity. Yes or no? Current is a scalar quantity. So rate of flow of charge in outermost orbit you can retain or not. Yet simply you can say rate of flow of charge is called what? It's called current. Yes or no? It is denoted by I, scalar quantity. Next, you can write here the flow of charge by time. Yeah, you can. If you asked I average, current average is equal to dq change in initial to final condition, the flow of charge, a change in charge, change in time. I is equal to dq by dt. This is I is nothing but instantaneous value. Here, why it is called instantaneous value of the current? Because at the time interval is very small. If you ask any instant of time, what is the value of charge? What is the value of current? Then you find dq by dt. If we simply asked iq, I average total charge by a flow of charge by time. For numerically, you simply write I is equal to q by t. For numerically solving, yes or not? Yeah, you can also write I is equal to plus or minus ne by t. So these things are about the current is a scalar quantity denoted by I, the flow of charge by time. I average is equal to dq by dt, delta dq by delta t. What is the did del q by del t? Instantaneous current. How can find dq by dt? Or if you solving the problem in the lesson, you can simply put I is equal to q by t. If you number of electron are given and number value and time, then you can find ne by t. Yes or no? So I find unit. How can find unit? I is equal to charge. Charge as a unit, coulombs, or time as a unit, second. Coulombs per second is called nothing but ampere. The current denoted by I, but SI unit is denoted by ampere. यस सर नो, इस 7 फंडामेंटल यूनिट में से एक भी है एम्पियर। तो कूलम्स पर सेकंड इज कॉल्ड एम्पियर। 1 कूलम्स पर 1 सेकंड इज कॉल्ड 1 एम्पियर। This everything of some formula will be taken. No, bust one thing. अगर आपसे कोई पूछे, सपोज मेरे हाथ में एल्युमिनियम जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंडक्ट करता है, यानी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इजीली पास करता है, चार्ज इजीली फ्लो करता है। तो जब हम सप्लाई हटा लेते हैं, या बैटरी हो, डीसी हो, या जो भी हो, तो इसमें करंट फ्लो नहीं करता है। बट जब भी हम देते हैं तो फ्लो करता है। ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा क्यों? सपोज यहाँ पर देखिए, जब ये मान लिया एल्युमिनियम कंडक्टर है 3D फिगर में, तो हमसे पूछा गया कि जब इसमें कोई सप्लाई नहीं देते हैं तो उस केस में करंट फ्लो नहीं होता है। ऐसा क्यों? जबकि इसके अंदर प्रेजेंट है फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन। ऐसा नो, आई विल एक्सप्लेन द कंडक्टर केस। द कंडक्टर कंटेन्स फ्री ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन या मूवमेंट ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन। यस और नो? सपोज मूवमेंट ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन, आफ्टर दैट डिड नॉट करंट फ्लो। Why? Why need to some external force या potential या voltage? The question is arises, why not current flow if you present the free electron inside the conductor? Suppose before, if you not flow, if you not supply any external force, the term of potential voltage, another light temperature, then current is not flow. In that condition, number of electron or number of proton are equal and randomly direction, not a proper direction, so cancel out to each other, and that case current will be zero. Look like so. What is that? In that condition, if you not supply the current, also present here the free electron, but in that case the free electron direction is not a proper direction, a randomly direction, and also in that condition the number of what proton is equal to number of electron, so cancel out each other, and I net what current net is equal to 0, and that condition is called atom in neutral condition. What? Neutral condition. Only one, if you ask anybody, सर आपने बोला कंडक्टर में फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन मूवमेंट करता है, जब हम हटा लेते हैं तो करंट फ्लो क्यों नहीं करता है? उसके की कॉज है कि जब हम हटा लेते हैं सप्लाई, तो उस केस में एटम न्यूट्रल पोजीशन को इक्विलिब्रियम में आ जाता है। उस केस में क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन का डायरेक्शन रैंडमली होता है, प्रॉपर नहीं होता है, और नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन और नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इक्वल नंबर में होता है, जो सो कैंसिल आउट टू ईच अदर। क्वेश्चन एराइज होता है, तो इस केस में नहीं फ्लो होता है। क्या कारण है? जब हम इसको बैटरी से, डीसी बैटरी या सेल से देते हैं, इस कंडक्टर के होके करंट फ्लो करेगा। देखिए सपोज एल्युमिनियम कंडक्टर है, इट इज ए पॉजिटिव, it is a negative. Yes sir? In that case, what will happen? I explain after. First draw the diagram. Here simply write it is the destination of electron, yeah, deficiency of electron. It is the source of electron, yeah, you can say excess electron, yeah, you can say ocean of इलेक्ट्रॉन. इलेक्ट्रॉन का सागर होता है नेगेटिव टर्मिनल. जो सेल आप लगाते हैं बैटरी, नेगेटिव टर्मिनल सागर है इलेक्ट्रॉन का, सोर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन या एक्सेस इलेक्ट्रॉन. तब क्या करता है, जो एक्सेस इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो अपना चलना स्टार्ट करता है इससे वाइट के थ्रू और इसको पुश करता है. ये क्या करता है, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल इसको अट्रैक्ट करता है क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इलेक्ट्रॉन को साइड वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन अट्रैक्ट करता है. एंड दिस प्रोसेस विल बी कंटिन्यू. जब तक ये सप्लाई कर सकता है जब तक प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू होते रहता है. सो हियर द एक्सप्लेन इस डायरेक्शन व्हाट इलेक्ट्रॉन direction but current direction opposite. Current direction are opposite. Suppose here electron, that case here the electron is in this direction and current in that direction. So one thing always remember, current direction opposite to the electron direction. Current direction is same as the positive charge and electron direction in the same direction of the negative charge. I will explain that each of electron, a free electron inside the conductor randomly direction so cancel to each other. In that case, so the I net is equal to 0 because no any force can arrange in proper direction free electron. But here some force is applied. It's a force, yeah, you can say pressure, you can say light, it may be temperature. And the negative channel always remember the source of electron या excess electron या ocean of the electron. But negative terminal destination of the electron a deficiency of electron वो अपने तरफ खींचता है positive terminal. According to Coulomb's law, negative it positive attract to each other. It is repel to each other. It is negative also is negative, so repel to each other, and it is heavy, so net direction is that. Yes or no? Current direction is opposite to the that electron direction. So somebody asks, if it contains free electron, not flow the current. If you not supply the battery, the cause before in the supply the any cell, any force, any pressure, in that condition atom are neutral. The neutral in the sense of number of electron or number of proton are equal and cancel to each other. Why cancel to each other? Because random direction inside the that condition, not a proper direction. If you supply the battery, a pressure, a temperature through a light, in that case the electron give a negative charge, give a proper direction to electron and positive terminal attract. ये क्या कर रहा है, इधर से धक्का दे रहा है, इधर से खींच रहा है. सपोज हम इधर से धक्का दे रहे और ये इसको इस तरह से खींच रहा है, ऑटोमेटिक है क्या, हम जो धक्का दे रहे हैं और इधर से कोई खींच रहा है, ऑटोमेटिक इस डायरेक्शन में एक पार्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन क्या करेगा, डिस्प्लेस करेगा. वही चीज है यहाँ पर और कुछ नहीं है. ओके, आई विल टेक सम प्रॉब्लम. The electric current flow is flow Electric current is due to the flow of. First question, electric current is, what is electric current is flow duty. Option number A, only say positive charge. Option B, negative charge. Only option C, both positive and negative. Both positive and negative. On option number D, none. And the question asked, electric current is flow's duty. The question is not clear. What is it about conductor, semiconductor, yeah, insulator? So I explained before this topic. I explained in the case of where the semiconductor, the flow of current duty positive and negative also. In the case of conductor, the free movement of free electron, any negative charge. But in insulator, nothing will be charge neutral condition. So it is not clear here question. Is conductor or semiconductor? So it is not can say properly a positive charge or negative charge. So here the answer is positive and negative both. Same question can ask in the form of the electric current in metallic. Electric current is flow in conductor duty. Option A, what is given same electron only. Option B, positive ions only. C, electron and positive ions. D, consider none always. And those questions are same but one are different here written. Conductor, yeah, metallic, but here not written current is flow duty. In which case conductor, semiconductor, but here written electric current is flow in conductor duty. You can say electron only. One thing solved. Electric current in liquid. Okay. I will take some problem. Problem number 1. MBT. A billion electron pass through a cross section of a conductor in 10 to power minus 3 second, then वैल्यू ऑफ करंट क्या होगा। इसमें क्या लिखा है, 1 बिलियन माने नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन दे दिया, अगर नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पास थ्रू क्रॉस सेक्शन ऑफ कंडक्टर इन 10 to power minus 3 second, the value of current is what? Do you know that I is equal to dq by dt and q is equal to ne, I is equal to ne into what is given number of electron at a time, put the value, n is given billion, billion is 10 to power 9, number of electron 1.6 गुने 10 to power minus 16 19 and time 10 to power minus 13. The answer will become, solve it, 10 to power 9 minus 19 plus 13 गुने 1.6 19. Second is will be written wrong, million billion, and second here 1000 plus, so it go to how much, 1.6 गुने 9 3 12 12 में से minus 3 is right minus 3 ठीक है, written right. So how much, minus 19 plus 12 1.6 गुने 10 power minus 7 ampere. This case nothing but given. What is the number of electron, 1 billion, so I put 10 to power 9 and the value of 1 electron charge 1.16 into 10 to power minus 19 and time is given 10 to power minus 3 second, 1 million second में 1 मिली सेकंड में इतना नंबर इलेक्ट्रॉन को पास कराने से किसी कंडक्टर से कितना करंट फ्लो होगा, 1.6 into 10 to power minus 7 ampere. Yes or no? Next formula is right here. Problem number 2 and problem number 3. For 2 given charge is given 50 microcoulomb and the current is given 15 milliampere. Find time. Charge is given 50 microcoulomb and current is given 15 milliampere. Then find the time. You know that I is equal to dq by dt. What is the given current, milliampere? You remember 1 milli is equal to 10 to power minus 3. 1 micro is equal to 10 to power minus 6. So the 15 into minus 3 ampere charge is given 50 into 10 minus 6 per coulomb t. इधर आएगा t is equal to what, 15 गुने 10 to power minus 6 coulomb by 15 गुने 10 to power minus 3 ampere. 15 by 50 by 15 गुने 10 to power minus 6 plus 3 काट दो इसको 10/3 गुने 10⁻³ 3.3 गुने 10⁻³ सेकेंड। यस सर नो, इस केस में कितना होगा सेकेंड? 3.3 गुने 10⁻³ सेकेंड। नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला, if a current value is given, how much? 10 ampere and time is equal to 1 hours. Find the quantity of charge. Find the quantity of charge. Find the quantity of charge. The same formula, I is equal to dq by dt. I is given 10 ampere. Charge is not given, but time here given in hour, so you must be changed in second. You know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 gune 60 is equal to 3600 seconds. Yes sir? No. So they are put 3600 seconds. So charge is equal to 10 into 3600 is equal to 36 कितना कूलम, Q is equal to 36 गुने 10⁻³ कूलम. Yes or no? Only one formula, I is equal to del Q by del T, and Q can, if you number of electron given, the Q modified, but in the case of plus or minus Ne, and simply find out the value of charge and value of the current. So in the next class explain what is the potential difference and what is the significant in the circuit and some circuit symbol after I explain Ohm's law. Okay, so that's all about charge and current. Charge is nothing but intrinsic property and flow of charge is called current, and both are the scalar quantity. Yes, no? Why current is a scalar quantity? After that contains the magnitude and direction, you can say reply only it's not the flow of the rule of vector. So it is called a scalar quantity. And charge some formula Q is equal to NT and current is equal to that formula apply. Yes or no? And positive charge, positive negative charge attract, positive repel, negative repel. Yes or no? मान लो सपोज ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज बॉय है, नेगेटिव चार्ज गर्ल है. बॉय एंड गर्ल अट्रैक्ट टू ईच अदर, बट दो बॉय में अट्रैक्शन थोड़ी कम होते हैं, या दो गर्ल के बीच में अट्रैक्शन थोड़े कम होते हैं. इन द सेंस ऑफ रिमेंबर ऑफ यू simply. Another things also remember, 1 milli 10⁻³ 1 micro is 10⁻⁶. Yes or no? Yes. I hope everything understand. Okay. And one thing, if you asked why the current is not flowing in the neutral condition, if you not supply the potential or voltage in the conductor, the metallic, you can say the answer, because in the, if you not apply any potential in that condition, number of electron or number of proton are equal, and other cause in the that condition the direction of electron are randomly so cancel to each other and net current is 0. But in the case of you supply the pressure या voltage या potential difference या through the light या through the temperature, in that case negative terminal the source of what electron, yeah you can say the excess electron contains, या ocean of the electron का महासागर होता है, और उसके अंदर भी इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है, जैसे एल्युमिनियम हुआ, वो क्या करता है, एक दूसरे को हैवी फोर्स रिपेल करता है। इस साइड से पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल क्या करता है, वो इलेक्ट्रॉन का डेस्टिनेशन होता है, वो अपनी तरफ खींचता है। सपोज इधर से हम धक्का दे रहा है, खींच रहा है, तो क्या एक डिस्प्लेस क्रिएट होगा और अपना एक पाथ कंप्लीट करना चाहेगा, जब तक उस पर फोर्स लगते रहेगा। ऐसा नो,